Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you two methods to factory reset your ZTE 5G LTE. Hello everyone, welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel I welcome you to subscribe. Alright, let's go right to the video now. Alright, so I'm going to show you two methods to factory reset it. First through the settings and then also with the button. So in case you have a password and you can't get into it, you'll be able to hard reset it and start using it normally again. So first off, let's go here through the settings. In settings, you're going to scroll down to backup and reset. It should be towards the bottom. Backup and reset. Here you're going to select factory data reset. Here it's going to ask you if you want to erase everything on the SD card as well. And it's just letting you know that everything on your phone will be erased back to its factory condition. So make sure you do back up anything if you can, anything that you want to keep. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit reset phone and then hit erase everything. Once you hit erase everything, the reset process will begin and everything will be erased. So let's go ahead and show you how to do it now with the buttons. So power your phone off. Alright everyone, so once the phone is completely powered off, what we're going to do is we're going to hold volume up and the power button, both of them at the same time until the ZTE logo comes up. Once the ZTE logo comes up, we're going to let go of the power button and just continue to hold volume up. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that now. Hold them both. When the ZTE logo comes up, let go of the power button, continue to hold the volume up. And there you go. Once you see it gets to this screen, Android recovery, you're going to let go of volume up. So here we're just going to scroll down to wipe data, factory reset, confirm with the power button. Here you're going to scroll down to yes and confirm with the power button. So now it's resetting everything. It's going to say data wipe complete down here. There we go. Once it says that, you're ready to hit the power button to reboot the phone. Alright everyone, so after a couple seconds, maybe a minute or two, the phone's going to take you to this screen, which is the initial setup of the phone here. So this means that the phone has been completely reset back to its factory condition, and it's at the setup of the phone where now you have to go through the settings and get it set up. Alright everyone, so that was just a quick video how to factory reset, two methods to factory reset your ZTE 5G LTE. See you guys around in the next video, and as always, peace.